What's up, everybody? Hello, welcome to my channel, Global Effect 1969. Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on the ECHO SRM-230. And the air filter is pretty simple to change, so this won't be too long a video. It'll be longer than what it has to be, but I do that because I'm giving you this video free, so I gotta make my YouTube a little bit longer in order to get paid better by YouTube. Since you're not paying me, it ain't gonna hurt you to let my video keep playing or watch the whole video. Check it out. This is more for like the people who don't know how to change the filter. The filter is pretty easy to change actually on the trimmer here. And so if you're one of those that are saying that's very easy to do, well, go watch a different video. I got other videos you can watch that'll be helpful for you. This is for the people who don't know how to change the filter. And it's pretty simple actually. I'm gonna show you. It's an easy process. The filter is located right here behind this box. Just buy yourself a new one, or you can take out the old one, clean it up, whichever you like. I prefer you buy a new one if you want. That'd be a lot better. And I have another one later showing you how to do the spark plug, how to change the spark plug. Or you can go watch my other video and it shows you how to do it all on one video, but the video is a lot longer. Here we go. Okay, like I was saying, it's pretty easy to do actually. You're gonna just see this butterfly wing right here, butterfly nut, whatever you want to call it, screw. It's actually like a screw, butterfly screw, but check it out. It's not a nut. If it is, I guess it's welded in there. So it's coming out like that. Just unscrew that all the way. You pull this off, there's your filter right there. You can pull the filter off right there. It's that simple to do. You just get the new one, put it in there. Right there like that. See that? You see this coupling right here, the hole? That's what's gonna go basically in there around that thing. So you go like that. But go ahead and put it in here first. Be a lot better to put it that way first. You got it in there like that. Put the thinner part facing up. See, it widens down at the bottom. The part that's not so wide, put it facing to the top. You see this little kind of round ridge? That's gonna slide in here. See? Slide in there like that. So all you do is put it back on there like that. Start the screw up. Make sure you got it centered. Don't put it in there. If it feels like it's going in kind of crooked, mine's right in there, but if you feel like it's going kind of in there crooked like that and it's getting kind of hard right there when you barely start it, pull it back, unscrew it, pull it back out. Make sure you put it in straight because you don't want to strip the threads on there. And you'll feel if it goes in there perfectly. And then just screw it in like that. Once you got it screwed in all the way like that, you got your new filter put on. And it's basically ready to go. You can go ahead and try your weed eater, start it up. If you got to prime it, prime it. Put it on choke or whatever you got to put it on. I'm going to put it on run because I turned it on earlier. Put it on start. Once you got your new filter on there, it should run a little bit better. Depending on how dirty your old filter was, you know. You put it on start, like I told you, prime it, and basically you're good to go. You pull the string, it should turn on right away. Of course, I got mine on top of the gas can here, holding it. Mine says fuel, but I got more weed eater videos out there, and I got the steel weed eater, which I work on. Also, you can go watch those videos. Those are pretty good too. You make sure I got a video on how to mix the fuel too as well. You can buy one of these tools. This helps you a lot. This will change the spark plug. Depending on what weed eater you got, I got the steel. This is for the steel part weed eater. I also got this tool. It shows you in another video. I'm gonna show you how to remove the head in case you want to replace the head. Buy a new one. This one actually needs the head replaced on there. After you prime it, like I told you right there, blink, blink, squeeze, turn it on. Have it on run or choke if you're barely starting during the day. Your first time starting it, you might want to put it on choke. Mine I have started earlier, so I think I got to put it on run and start it, and it should start right up. Let's see. Pull the trigger back down and shuts it off. It's that simple. See how that was? Boom, ready to go. Like I said, this is the SRM-230 ECHO weed eater. if you want to watch, this was actually sitting around for freaking a few years, and my buddy brought it to me and asked me if I could get it going. In that video, I'll tell you, he explained they needed just a gasket on the filter housing, but I actually needed way more than that. But I got it running. Like I said, look how easy it turns on, man. This is what's crazy, because it just turns on. One pull, and that's because it was sitting around forever, man. And you can go watch that. I actually replaced the carburetor on it and spark plug and stuff like that. But I'll show you different videos how to do. For people just looking how to do something simple, there it is. And if you're still on this video, hey, props up to you. Thanks for watching my video, because I already showed you how to change the filter like you were looking for. Now I'm just talking, making my video a little longer. And if you don't mind watching it, hey, watch it. I mean, hey, I helped you out. I can finish watching my videos. I get credit for it. And I will be making a video, like I said, changing the head. You can watch that. And changing the spark plug. Yesterday's video I made it kind of right quick too, but yesterday I felt like I get seizures and stuff. I felt like I had some seizures and stuff, so on yesterday's video I might kind of whacked out and shit, but hey, it's part of life, man. Sometimes you gotta deal with what you got. Now I'm gonna get my stuff ready for the other video, because I gotta make the video taking the head off like I told you. And yeah, I'll constantly repeat myself. Yeah, that's part of life, man. This is more or less for, like I said, the people just looking how to replace the filter, man. That's how simple it is. Okay, look, I just changed the filter. I'm gonna weed eat a little bit right there and show you that after I'm changing the filter, it runs pretty good. Okay, man, here I go. I'm gonna weed eat a little bit. I'm not gonna weed eat normal like you see people doing, because I'm trying to stay away from it so I don't get all dirty, man. Like I said, turn it on. You gotta make sure you hit the on button, man. Put it on start. Mine's already warmed up. Just pull. There it is. I still got some more there. I'm not, like I said, I'm not cutting the whole yard, weeding the whole yard. That's just a simple fix there, and I was showing you that it worked after I changed the filter. And of course I gotta leave some more, because I'm gonna show some more stuff on this video. So I mean, on the different videos, I gotta leave some grass to cut there. By the time you know it, just working on this mower and showing how it runs afterwards, I'm gonna end up not even have to cut the yard with my mower. I'm gonna do it all with weed eater. I'll give you a close-up look right there. See how it come out? Pretty nice. I even whacked the little plastic cover right there. What is that too, man? Little plastic cover to some container. Check it out. See that? See the grass over there? It's windy out here today. Look at my neighbor over there, man. He don't cut his stuff. Check it out. It's all overgrown into my yard, man. See me cut some of that on the next video where I'll do changing the spark plug, man. Okay, you just see me trim a little bit there on my video right here at Global Effect 1969. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Later. Everything working good on here. Stay tuned for my next one, how to change the spark plug. Like I said, if y'all don't want to watch these short videos, like people keep saying, that you want to watch something short and simple for what they ask they want to see, go watch my other video. I'll do everything in one video. Of course, that video is a lot longer. Appreciate y'all watching. Later. Subscribe, man. Go watch, man.